we leave Penarth, go to Mermaid Key with an extra crew member on board as well as the dog. I get the drone up in the air again. Does it come back? Wait and see. Debbie, our new crew member, confuses our system in the lock. They nearly leave me behind, and we shelter to escape the wake of this thing.
Bella's ready.
Yeah, we all good? All good?
All good, all good.
Have the Boatyverse team on board. Bella in charge.
It's a bit cold.
Just a little bit chilly. Green light, ready to go. Out into beautiful Cardiff Bay.
Are we headed, Ed? Right. Yeah.
Kelly comes on to the bridge. We're on the bridge.
Just got my coat on. Is he droning now, is he?
Yeah.
This is a drone action.
Hope, pray it goes well.
Right, do you want me to be anywhere, Ben?
Oh, no, that's perfect. That's done.
Ooh, here we go.
What shot this is?
Right.
Yeah. But that's quite new, when it's pretty setting what's like on this.
Wow.
Here we are in Mermaid Key.
Yeah. Put all the nabby stuff off.
Debbie. Bella dog. Now moored up, we just got to pay for our mooring now. £1 an hour, I think it is. Peanuts. Haha. Gonna get some food. It's Debbie. Just had food in the hubbocks, which was very nice. We're on our way back to the boat. Aha. There's them. And the boat over there. Ooh, Debbie nearly ended up in the water, nearly went for a trip there. Oh, Debbie went for a trip again. God, Debbie, pick your feet up. Debbie hasn't even had a drink. Oh, here we go.
Yeah, I've done it. All right, we're off. We clear?
Clear that now. You clear that bit.
All right, we're off. I'm at the helm for this little bit. Okay. Work hard. Here we go. Here we are, leaving the barrage.
Nearly like Ben.
Nearly right me, I was not on the boat. I said no, Rich thought I said go, and he went. I had to jump on. Some stuff going on out here. Yeah, so that red one there is on land basically, almost. No.
Left there.
You want to go left? Yeah, left here. In between that,
Red in
between the
red and green.
red. He's right, so you got no draft. No. Left. Yeah. Yeah. No, in between that one there and that one there.
Yeah. What was aiming for you?
Yeah.
You said left, that's in air.
No. No, left now.
Yeah.
Left.
In between these two.
Yes.
Which I'm going to do. Thank you.
This is land here.
Yeah.
Low tide. No, that way now. Come on, Rich. Refer back to my YouTube video. Round that way. That way, round this one. You need to go in that direction for a minute.
Right.
That way you are now, on the green. So aim that way. There we are, now we're in the middle of the channel. So just go straight for a minute. So the yellow marker buoy, we want to go that way after that, or around that. We can go before then, but just here, look, we're still in the channel. Where we were yesterday. Yeah. Alright, we're 8 years. Debbie at the helm.
Well, I was. With a cider.
Rear slider. And 18 knots. And Debbie is used to a sailboat doing what?
8.
8.
And we're off course.
So we just got back to Portishead. We're just stopping outside the Lido. And there's a Lido distance. Bobbing around here, waiting for the lock. And we've got this chap who we've been watching as we've been coming over, moseying on by. Decisive. That's a big boat. Bloody rusty. Let's see of it. Look at the wake coming. An actual wave coming towards us from that thing. Yeah. I'm down here, I'm holding on.
There it comes, the wave.
Look at that, a tidal wave coming. It's dying down a bit, it won't be too bad.
Massive wake.
Here it is.
It wasn't that bad actually.
It was died down by the time we got here, that was
Not even that bad.
overly anticipated. I thought we all thought we were in for a rough ride then, but no, a little bobble. There it is.